Are you ready to unbox the pin of the year for 2025? Let's do it. This is Narwhal's pin of the year 2025 snake. They give us one each year. It's a celebration of the Lunar New Year. The Narwhal packaging is really nice. They always have a clean, simple, straightforward design that works really well. The pin of the year is based on the Nautilus design with the 3 ink windows, as well as the really beautifully designed center ring. For the pin of the year, it's a limited edition, and you'll find your number on the top of the finial. The green and gold and white shimmery resin was designed to look like snake scales that glisten as you turn the pin. And then you have that really cool pin clip. The pin clip is fashioned out of sterling silver and has the green crystal eyes. Everything's paired with the in-house Narwhal nib, plated to match that trim, and you have your Narwhal piston filler. And the pin of the year snake is limited to 888, just to add a little bit more wealth and prosperity to this pin release. Hopefully you enjoyed getting a look at this year's pin of the year from Narwhal, the 2025 snake. If you need more details, check it out at pinchley.com. And if you were looking for a really beautiful, striking way to celebrate the Lunar New Year, I think you just found it.